all of you in second lecture of this sixth chapter. So before starting this exercise, we have to study the basic again. So in starting of this chapter, we study first line, ray, and then line segment. After then angle and its type, then linear pair of angles and vertically opposite angle. All these results must be clear in your mind for the solution of questions related to geometry. So this is the first question. Here this figure is given. Here two lines are present. First is AOB and second is COD. So what is given? Sum of these two angle AOC, this BOE, this angle, their sum is 70. Then angle BOD, this angle BOD, this angle is given 40, and we want to find out value of these two angles. First BOE is this angle. Second reflex COE means this angle, but we want its reflex. Reflex angle is that angle which is more than 180 but less than 360. So let's start the solution of this question. Let us first take this line AOB. Now on this line we are having these three angles 1, 2, 3. So sum of these three angles will be 180. This is AOC, this is COE, this is BOE. So sum of three angle 180. Now we know the sum of these two angles 70. So in the beginning we write AOC, then BOE, then at last we will write COE. Then sum of these two angles given 70. So in place of these two we will write 70. This 70 on this side will become minus. So we are having value of COE 110. So by using this line we find out the value of COE. Now we will take this line. Name of this line is COD. So here again sum of three angle 1, 2, 3, 180 region linear pair of angle. Let us write the name of these three angle. This is COE, then BOE, COE, BOE, then BOD equal to 180. So value of COE we will put from here 110. BOE as it is, we don't know the value. Then BOD we will put from here 40, 180 as it is. Sum of 110 and 40, 150. BOE as it is, 180 as it is, 150 will become minus on that side. So you will get 30. So BOE equal to 30. This is the first answer. Now second answer we want reflex COE. We know the value of COE here 110, but we want reflex. So we will subtract 110 from 360. You will get 250. So in this way we can find out the value of angles. Now we will solve one more question. That question is also just like this. Here two lines are present. In that question also two lines are present. Let us see the solution of that question. So this is the question number second of 6.1 exercise. Here again two lines are given. This is first line XOY. This is second line MON. Here what is given in the question? Angle POY 90. POY, this angle is 90. A ratio B is given 2:3. So in this question ratio of two angles are given. This is angle A, this is angle B. Now we want to find out value of angle C. So value of this angle we want to find out. So this is given, this we want to find out. Very important question. So if ratio is given, then we will start the solution with ratio. So I want to remove this ratio, so I have to apply generally x with 2 and 3. So let angle A 2x, angle B 3x. Now let us take this line. XOY is a line. So sum of these angle B plus A, this value we know already. Meaning of this sign is 90. So B plus A plus 90, their sum will be 180, linear pair exome. So angle B we will write 3x, angle A we will write 2x, 90 as it is, 180 as it is. So 3x plus 2x, 5x, 90 as it is, 180 as it is. This 90 on this side will become minus 5x as it is. So 5x will be equal to 90. So value of x 90 upon 5. This will divide and we will get value of x equal to 18. Again we will see. We will take line XOY B plus A plus 90 equal to 180 region linear pair exome. We will write value of B and A. Then we will solve. By solution we get the value of x. But we want the value of C. So after getting value of x, write down A and B again. So A 2x, 2 as it is, in place of x we will write 18. Value of angle A is 36. Then B, this is 3x, 3 as it is, in place of x we will write 18. This value is 54. So value of A 36 and value of B 54. Now we will take another line. This MON is another line. In this MON, we will take B and C. So MON is a line, B plus C equal to 180. Only two angles are here. So we will write only linear pair. More than two, then we will write extra word exon. So a value of angle B, from here we will write 54, C as it is, 180 as it is. This 54 on that side will become minus. So value of C will be 126. So first we will take the line XOY, and then sum of these three, 180. By solution of this we get value of X. Then we take another line MON, then sum of these two angle 180. A and B we already know 36 and 54. Then we put 54, and on that side it will become minus. Then value of C will be 126. In this way we can find out the value of angle C here. So in question first and question second, we are having two line, one by one we take both lines and then solve the question. So tomorrow we will start with question number 3 of this exercise. Thank you.